当地时间5月12日，威尔士王妃凯特展示了自己最具创造力和艺术性的一面，与粉丝分享了一段动人的视频。其中，凯特和丈夫威廉王子身着他们去苏格兰庆祝结婚14年纪念日时穿的衣服，将自然和心理健康这两个对他们来说非常重要的主题结合在一起。在过去的1年里，大自然一直是我的避难所，凯特的声音说道。随着我们面临日益复杂和数字化的世界的挑战，人与自然之间的联系显得尤为重要。
The importance of balance and the importance of renewal and resilience. Connecting to nature helps us to experience a deeper sense of ourselves, the world around us, and each other. Spring is a season of rebirth, of hope and new beginnings. From the dark days of winter, the outside world quietly awakens with new life, and there comes a sense of optimism, anticipation, and positive, hopeful change. Just as nature revives and renews, so too can we. Let us reconnect to nature and celebrate a new dawn within our hearts. It is often from the smallest of seeds that the greatest change can happen. And in this ever-growing, complex world, we need to hold on to what connects us all. Spring is here, so let's make the most of it together.